Right, let's talk turmeric. This vibrant golden spice has a history as rich as its color. Ever had one of those moments where a single ingredient just blows your mind? It's like discovering a whole new world in a single bite. That was me, years ago, on my first trip to India. I was a curious traveler, eager to soak in every new experience. The smells, the colors, the energy of the market. It was all so overwhelming and exhilarating at the same time. Every corner was a sensory overload. But there was this one spice, bright yellow, almost glowing, that stood out among the rest. They seemed to put it in everything from curries to teas. That, my friends, was turmeric. I had heard of it before, but seeing it used so ubiquitously was a revelation. The first bite of a turmeric-infused dish, and I was hooked. It was like nothing I had ever tasted before. Warm, earthy, a little peppery, and totally unique. It added a depth of flavor that was both comforting and exotic. But here's the kicker. They didn't just use it for taste. Turmeric was revered for its medicinal properties. Locals swore by it, claiming it was good for, well, everything. From digestion to inflammation, they believed turmeric was a cure-all. Naturally, I was skeptical at first. But let me tell you, turmeric's got secrets. The more I learned, the more fascinated I became. It wasn't just a spice, it was a cornerstone of their culture and health practices. Now, turmeric's no spring chicken. We're talking thousands of years, used in ancient cultures, especially India. They knew a thing or two back then. For them, it wasn't just a spice, it was sacred, used in ceremonies, medicine, you name it. And get this, they were onto something. Turns out turmeric's got this compound, curcumin, that's like the superhero of antioxidants. We're talking fighting inflammation, boosting brain power, the works. No wonder they called it holy. This stuff's practically magic. Okay, enough stories, let's get scientific. Remember curcumin? That's the key. See, inflammation's a real troublemaker in the body, leads to all sorts of problems. Curcumin's like, not today, inflammation. Bam! Helps with joint pain, heart health, even your mood. And hold on, there's more. Studies show it can boost your brain power, keeps your thinking sharp, memory strong. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants, those little guys that fight off bad stuff in your body. Turmeric's like a natural health warrior. So how do you get this golden goodness in your life? Easy. One of my faves is golden milk. Warm up some milk, almond, coconut, whatever you fancy. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, boosts absorption, maybe some ginger and honey for sweetness. Boom, delicious and good for you. I have this every night before bed. It's like a warm hug for your insides. Plus, it helps with sleep. And the best part, it's so easy to make, even I can't mess it up. Section 5. Beyond the curry turmeric in everyday dishes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jamie, I love curry, but I can't eat it every day. Don't worry, I got you. Turmeric's super versatile. Sprinkle it on roasted veggies, stir it into soups, even add a pinch to your scrambled eggs. Gets you that earthy flavor and a healthy kick. One of my favorite tricks? Add a teaspoon to your rice while it's cooking, turns it a beautiful golden color and infuses it with flavor. Kids love it. It's all about getting creative in the kitchen. You can even add turmeric to your morning smoothie. Just a small amount can give it a vibrant color and a subtle earthy taste. Or how about sprinkling some on your salad? It pairs wonderfully with a lemon vinaigrette. And don't forget marinades. Turmeric can be a fantastic addition to your favorite marinade recipes, adding both color and flavor. Ever tried turmeric tea? Just mix it with some hot water, honey, and a squeeze of lemon. It's soothing and packed with health benefits. You can also mix turmeric into dips and spreads. It adds a unique twist to hummus or yogurt-based dips. And yes, you can even use it in desserts. A pinch of turmeric can enhance the flavor of your favorite sweet treats. The possibilities are endless. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find new ways to incorporate this golden spice into your everyday meals. Remember, it's not just about the taste. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a healthy addition to your diet. So go ahead, get creative, and enjoy the benefits of turmeric in your everyday dishes. Happy cooking! Section 6. Turmeric's versatility from lattes to face masks. But wait, there's more. Turmeric's not just for food. Remember those ancient cultures? They used it for everything. You can find turmeric in face masks, hair treatments, even toothpaste. It's like the Swiss Army knife of natural remedies. My wife, Jules, she loves making a turmeric face mask. Mix it with yogurt and honey, leaves your skin glowing. And don't even get me started on turmeric lattes. They're all the rage now, and for good reason. Delicious, warming, and good for you. What's not to love? Section 7. A word of caution. Turmeric and its interactions. Now, before you go crazy with the turmeric, a word of caution. Like anything, moderation is key. And if you're on medication, chat with your doctor first. Turmeric can interact with some meds, so it's always best to be safe. Also, a little goes a long way. Start small and see how your body reacts. Some people are more sensitive than others. But hey, that's all part of the fun, right? Experimenting in the kitchen and finding what works for you. Section 8. Embrace the golden glow turmeric for a healthier you. This vibrant yellow spice, often found in your kitchen, is more than just a culinary delight. It's a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. So there you have it, my friends. Turmeric, the golden spice of life, is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a health powerhouse. From boosting your brain to soothing your joints, turmeric's got your back. And the best part? Turmeric, the golden spice of life. This ancient spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is now catching up to its myriad benefits. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's a health powerhouse. From boosting your brain to soothing your joints, turmeric's got your back. And the best part? It's easy to incorporate into your everyday life. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, reduce inflammation, or even enhance your skin's natural glow, turmeric can help. It's easy to incorporate into your everyday life. You can start your day with a warm cup of turmeric tea, add a pinch to your scrambled eggs, or even blend it into your smoothies for an extra health kick. So go on, give it a try. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are immense. Add a pinch to your next meal and watch as it transforms not only the flavor, but also the nutritional value of your dish. Turmeric's vibrant color and earthy taste can elevate any recipe. Whip up a golden milk latte, a soothing and delicious drink that's perfect for winding down in the evening. This ancient Ayurvedic beverage combines turmeric with milk and spices, creating a comforting and health-boosting treat. Or get adventurous with a turmeric face mask. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help reduce acne and bring out your skin's natural radiance. Mix it with honey or yogurt for a simple, effective skincare treatment. Embrace the golden glow and see the difference it makes in your life. From the inside out, turmeric can help you feel and look your best. So why wait? Start incorporating this golden spice into your daily routine and experience the myriad benefits for yourself. Section 9. The future is golden. Turmeric's potential unfolds. And the story doesn't end there. Scientists are constantly discovering new and amazing benefits of turmeric. Who knows what the future holds? One thing's for sure, this ancient spice is here to stay. So jump on the turmeric train and join me on this golden journey to a healthier, happier you. For more videos, subscribe.